Welcome to Code Utility, a channel where you can find technical stuff. This is my first series and I'm going to start with the very basic HTML and CSS. So in this series what we are going to do is we are going to go through some basic HTML shapes that you can generate, and using those shapes in the next upcoming videos we will see how to combine those shapes and do some cool stuff. Okay, here I'm in my IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can go ahead and download that. It's for free and it comes with the live server. I will show you how to open the live server using Visual Studio Code in this video. Okay, and Visual Studio Code also comes with a cool plugin called Emmet, which allows you to code quickly. I will show you how to do that in this video too. Okay, let me start. I've created two files here. One is called index.html and other is called main.css. In index.html, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type HTML and it gives me something called HTML:5. When I hit that, it gives me a temporary template which will give the basic HTML5 code. And if you can see here, we're having a meta name tag and content initial scale, which helps your page to be responsive. We'll talk more about these tags in the later videos. And you have something called title, which gives you the tab name of your page. Let me change that to HTML5 and CSS3. I'm afraid we can't use ampersand, so I'm going to change that to HTML and CSS. I've typed that as a hash, that's 3. Okay. And here are some of the things that you can do with Emmet. For example, you can create divisions, right, using HTML. That you can do by just typing div and press tab. In Windows or in Mac, you will find that tag is being opened and closed. I'm going to create a class here called box, and I wanted to link my CSS file in my HTML. So what I want to do is I'll go ahead and type link, press enter. It will give you the basic link tag reference, and you can go ahead and type main.css. If you want to check whether your file is being correctly mapped, just hold the control and press on that thing, which should take you to that file. Okay, cool to go. Now save your file, and when you right click on your HTML in your Visual Studio Code, and if you hit open with live server, it opens your HTML in your default web browser. I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, I've created here a division called box. Let me go ahead and do the styling for my box here in my CSS, and I'm going to give it a width of 100 pixel and the height of 100 pixel and a background of red. And here comes the power of live server in your Visual Studio Code. When I hit save, it loads that automatically in your web browser. So this is our first step. We have created the rectangle. I know this is basic stuff, but still there are people who don't know these stuffs. For them, I'm making this video. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to create a circle. Here's another one important aspect of your Emmet plugin. Your classes, you represent your class using dot. So you can go ahead and type div dot circle, and if you hit enter, it gives you with all those details in that class. Let me save this thing here and go to my CSS file and give circle, and I'm giving a width same as 100 pixel height of 100 pixel. Let me give it a background of red, and I'm going to add one more property to make it as a circle, that is border radius, and I'm giving 100% for that. And if I save it here, okay, I'm sorry for that. My circle has been created, and I'm going to show you one more shape that's going to be triangle. How to create a triangle in CSS is go ahead and map that class here in your CSS file and give width of 0 pixel and a height of 0 pixel. And to make a upper pointing triangle, what you're going to do is give a border right of some pixel and solid, and make the color as transparent, and border left, same thing you're going to do, solid and transparent. And if you want your triangle pointing upwards, create your border bottom and give it a solid 50 pixels and give it a color red, and when you save it, you have your triangle there. Let me give a break here to make it more visible. And that's how you create shapes using CSS and HTML. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.